primarily the video, well, not primarily, it is about, this video is about SENCO's brad nailer. It's the F18XP, cordless nailer. And I found this to be a really, really super gun. So what I did is I tested it. And over the course of 5 hours, I shot 500 nails into this project I'm doing for my daughter-in-law in decorating one of her plant stands. And then when I was done with the plant stand, I was waiting for the battery to die, and it didn't. Then I went into the garage and I shot another 200 2-inch nails into a block of maple. And again, the battery didn't die. I really do like this gun. I want to talk to you about some of the main features of this gun. I've got it all written down here on a sheet of paper. And here's some of the things that stand out to me about the gun. On the tip of the gun, there's a tool-free adjustment. All you got to do is dial it with your finger to raise or lower the head of the nail, to sink it deeper into the material. That's one of the nice features about the gun. Now here's another one, the battery. I'm amazed at this battery. It's an 18-volt battery. The description says in the manufacturer's literature that you'll shoot 650 nails. Well, in the first pass, when I was working on the plant stand, I had already shot 500 nails. And then I went into the garage and fired another 200 of the 2-inch nails into a block of maple. The battery did not die, and at this point it still isn't dead. Watch me now. I'm going to try to kill a battery on this nailer by shooting 200 2-inch nails into a chunk of hardwood that I've got here. I already shot 500 nails, so that's going to put me at 700 nails. And you're going to find out I don't kill a battery. I want to say another thing about the battery on this nailer. When you buy the nailer, it comes with one battery and a charger. If you do run it dry, well, you will, it takes a little over an hour to charge it completely, but in 15 minutes you're at 80%. So if you're in a hurry, you can get it charged up real fast. I like that feature about this gun. And then another thing that impressed me about this gun, I've heard the expression ramp up time. And there are some guns out there where when they're battery operated, you pull the trigger and then it's got to ramp up. It takes a little bit of time. This gun doesn't have the ramp up time. You can just keep firing one after another. You'll see that in the video clip. Now that's two features. Another feature that I really liked about the gun was you have this selectable, what they call a selectable firing mode switch, where you can have contact fire where you just hit the piece of material and it'll fire every time you put the gun down on the material. You have to have the trigger held to do that. Or the other mode, which you can switch it to, which is a sequential fire. You have to pull the trigger each time you sink a brad nail. That's the third one. And the fourth one that I really like is the dry fire lockout. My wife calls that making sure you don't have an empty bobbin. All of my other nailer guns, I'll be firing along. Maybe I'm putting a decorative plaque up on the wall and I'll shoot a couple of tacks and, well, I think I did, and I let go and the piece falls on the floor because it's dry firing, it's not shooting a nail. This gun doesn't do that. When your clip is out of nails, it won't fire, so you got to reload it. I actually thought the battery was dead and monkeyed around for quite a while before I realized it was out of nails. I love that feature. It just stops shooting. You got to put more nails in it. So as you can see in this little video clip, this gun performed very, very well. So if by watching this video you think it's a good gun, put the thumbs up and then share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching this video.